So this is the previous project we have designed. We have just designed a text view and we have given all the properties to the text view. If you have not watched that video, go through the link and watch that video and proceed to this video. Now we don't need a text view, we just want now a image view. Before going to image view, let me clarify you that how we are going to use image files in our Android Studio. As we have discussed that any image we want to use in our application, we can't use that image directly. We have to copy the image from the file and we have to paste that image in this drawable folder. This drawable folder is the folder where we are going to place our image. After placing the image, we can use the image in a web view. So follow the steps and do what I am doing. So now we are going to copy an image. This is the image we are going to copy. Right click on it and we have copied the image from the desktop. We have copied the image. Now we are going to Android Studio. And in Android Studio, in drawable, we are going to hit on right click and paste here. Remember, here you are going to choose the directory drawable, not directory drawable v24. What is v24? We will discuss later on. But for now, remember this thing. You are going to place all the images in drawable folder, simple drawable folder. Hit an OK. If you want, rename the image name as something you want. I have renamed that image as logo.png and I have hit OK. Now the image is being imported here. Look, this is the logo.png image. Now what we want a image view to catch that image. So as we have discussed that image view is the properties we can drag and drop. This is a view, so we can drag and drop the design. So we are going to design panel. In design panel we will choose the image view from the palette. So image view, better we will go to images and we will take a image view from here and we will paste the image on center. Okay, now it will going to show you a pop-up, but it will take some time for the processing. Leave the system for some seconds. After some seconds, it will going to pop up a window. That window consisting of all the images present inside this project. This is the window. This is consisting of all the images present for this project. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to choose our image. Our image is logo. We have choose that image. Look, this is our image. So we will hit on OK. On hitting on OK, look, the image is loaded and this is the image size for our screen. This is the image view. Okay, so now let me run the application and show you how the image view is working. Okay, my emulator is running, so I have choose the running emulator and hit on OK. Okay, our app is installing APK. So we are going to open our emulator and this is our emulator. Object instant launching the activity. This is the activity and this is the image view what we have designed in the screen. This is showing on here. Okay, this is the image view. Okay, so now the question arises, the image view is taking the full screen. If you want to resize the image, in the sense if you want to make the image smaller, then you can right click and left click on here, you can move here, but you can't. You can make the image smaller like this way, but this is not the proper way. Okay, we will do this thing in a proper way. We will go to the text and inside the text there are two properties, layout width, layout height. All are set as wrap content. Wrap content in the sense, what is wrap content? Wrap content define that it will take the space that the image view wants. If your image is 1020 pixel, then it will going to 1020 pixel. If your image is smaller size, then it will taking smaller size. It is wrap content. The content, all the widths are dependent to the content. If you want to make it match parent in the sense, it will match to the parent. The parent is the screen. It will match to the parent in the sense it will fill to the screen. Or the next property is you are going to set the image as 200 dp. You can set the image as 200 dp. Look what happened, the size is smaller and if you want to remove resize the height, then you can make that 200 dp. Now look the image is smaller. Okay, the image is so smaller. So in this way we are going to make a image view in Android Studio. Let me run the application again and show you how the image got smaller. Now look at the emulator, the image is small than the previous one. So in this way we are going to working with image view. If you want to make the image more smaller, then you can compress the size 200 to 100 dp, 150 dp, as much as you want. If you want to make the image bigger in size, then you can resize the image as 400 dp, 500 dp. That's in depends on you. You can do that thing. For now, this much. Stay tuned to watch more. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.